to add audio spectrum in CapCut. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your device. Then, click on New Project and select your photo or video you want to add audio spectrum in. Then at the bottom, click on Text. After you click on Text at the bottom, click on Stickers. You'll find different stickers. Swipe to the stickers to find audio spectrum. Then select the sticker and adjust it in your video. Make sure it's from first to end. After you do that, you're good to go. This is how to add audio spectrum in CapCut. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.